Hey, this is Clint Carlos with Soar.com here to introduce to you some new and exciting things that we're doing with AI voice computing. I'm just going to share my screen today and walk you through a couple of exciting product launches that you can access and take advantage of today. If you can see my screen here, the first thing is a partnership that we have formed with Sandler Sales Training. Sandler Sales Training is about a 50-year-old sales training company, really one of the most successful and prominent sales training companies in the world. They have trained over 1 million salespeople on their sales methodology. They've got amazing content. And so our partnership was really about helping make their content more accessible to sales representatives and sales professionals all over the world, starting with their existing client base and then making it more accessible to others to find and discover their content. So if you see my screen here, we've created just kind of an introduction. You can go to sandler.soar.com and learn more about how to get this skill started. This is actually an Alexa skill that we've built in partnership with them. And so the first step to gain access is to come visit this page, learn a little bit about what you can do with this skill, what kind of content is in the library, how to get different results, and then there's a link to enable this skill. So for anyone who already has an Amazon Alexa device, you can click this. It'll take you through to your Amazon settings pages where you can actually enable this skill. It's called My Sandler. So I'm going to go ahead and enable that. I'm going to allow notifications. You can make your own decision about that. Okay, now it's enabled. So as soon as I open up my Amazon Alexa device, I'll be able to access all the content that's in there. This is, again, voice-friendly learning content. Now, to give you a preview of what kind of content exists there, I'm going to show you the mobile companion app. The mobile companion app, and I'm just going to open it here on my Android, is a place where I can perform the same searches and do the same type of learning that I would do through the Alexa skill, but this gives me kind of a visual tutorial to kind of get familiar with the content. So if I wanted to go in and view what type of courses exist, I can see there's some on organizational excellence, there's some on negotiating mastery. I can also do a search by keyword. If I said I want to see what Sandler has to say about customer pain. So let's see if I wanted to do that search. I just click in this search bar, customer pain, and hit search, and I'm going to see a number of results from within the audio content that's available. It looks like there's 121 results. So I can browse through those results, see what kind of content they have. I can play them and listen to the audio content within the mobile app. And then I can also discover kind of common content that has been assigned what we call a quick phrase. So if I want to avoid the search experience where Alexa's going to read a handful of results to me, I can just say get, and then whatever 2 keywords are followed, and it'll retrieve exactly that piece of content. So for this piece of content, it would be get competitive advantage, and that's going to pull up exactly this podcast. So here's another one, get following up. So learning how follow-up changes sales efficacy. So I'm going to go ahead. You saw me enable the skill. I'm going to enable the skill and walk through a couple of examples of how I would use this to learn the Sandler sales system. And then we'll talk a little bit about what the implications are. Alexa, open My Sandler.
Nice to see you again. To access a tutorial about searching, say, Start Tutorial. How else can I help you?
What are the 7 sales steps?
The 7 steps of the Sandler sales system are: 1. Bonding and rapport. 2. Upfront contract. 3. Pain. 4. Budget. 5. Decision. 6. Fulfillment. And 7. Post-sell. Do you want to hear more?
Yes.
The 7 steps are like compartments of a submarine. They form a methodology for developing a selling opportunity. The first two steps, bonding and rapport and upfront contracts, represent foundational concepts on which the selling relationship is built and sustained. The middle three steps, pain, budget, and decision, represent the qualifying activities of the selling process. The final two steps, fulfillment and post-sell, represent the closing activities of the process. Not all prospects, however, will make it past the pain, budget, and decision steps. A prospect can be disqualified at any step in the process. Do you want more details?
Tell me about pain.
Step 3. Pain. People buy based on emotion, which is why identifying pain points is so important in the sales process. Without identifying and addressing pain, the likelihood of a sale dramatically decreases. Do you want to hear the next step?
No.
Great. What else can I help you with?
Search Sandler philosophy.
Found 3 results. Listing the top 3. First result is Sandler Foundations, the Sandler philosophy. It is about 3 minutes long. Do you want to listen to it?
Yes.
Here you go.
Hey, welcome back. Now that we understand the traditional sales process, let's talk about the Sandler selling system at a high level. The Sandler selling system allows you to have an effective and an efficient process, but it also affords you a mindset. Things like equal business stature, that you deserve to be in the process, that you bring value, that you shouldn't be subservient. It also helps you understand that you have a noble cause.
Alexa, get happy pain.
Okay, to interrupt playback, just say Alexa, stop.
Hello, it's Greg Kessler at Sandler Training, and today we're talking about identifying client and prospect's need and how it will increase your effectiveness and efficiency as a sales manager or salesperson. You can search other podcasts in Sandler Online to find related topics, but today, if we
Alexa,
boil it
stop.
down.
Okay. Do you want to continue to play this audio or cancel the search?
Cancel the search.
Great. What else can I help you with?
Alexa, exit. So as you can see, now that the content's voice friendly, I can search it. I can kind of learn step by step from different modules about the Sandler sales process. But this is available at my fingertips. One of the best use cases for this kind of content is for mobile sales forces. When I'm in my car driving around, I've got an Alexa device enabled there, and I can interact with this content in a truly hands-free environment. So this is really powerful when you think about the millions of people that commute to work every day or are driving from one appointment to the next. The ability to deliver training on the go is a game changer for Sandler and their clients.